The Audio-Technica VM540ML H combo kit features a high-quality dual-moving magnet cartridge that enhances the audio experience with exceptional channel separation and extended frequency response. The microline stylus of the VM540ML is engineered to trace record grooves with remarkable precision, offering an audio clarity that outperforms elliptical and conical styli. This combo kit includes a pre-mounted cartridge on the ATHS-10BK universal mount head shell, making installation straightforward and efficient. The aluminum cantilever and toroidal coils in the VM540ML-H improve generating efficiency, ensuring a more refined and dynamic sound output. A center shield plate is strategically placed between the stereo channels to significantly reduce crosstalk, delivering a purer sound quality. The durable, low-resonance polymer housing of the cartridge contributes to its longevity while also minimizing wear on your records.